Hey guys, welcome to a quick video. In this video I'm going to go over how I linked my dual batteries together to get a quick start. So, show you in here. I had these dual batteries, but often one of them would go flat when I'm camping or something, and I'd need to get the jumpers out to go off my secondary battery here and link it to my starter battery to get enough power, which it's fine. I've got some jumpers in the back and I'll do it. It just takes a bit of time getting it all done, and I wanted a quicker solution. I do have a red arc BCDC down in here, so I could get I think they do a red arc battery link kit, or smart start I think it's called, for $500 or something like that. But I thought I'd do something a bit simpler and wire it up myself. I went up to a 12 volt shop that's nearby. It's called Home of the 12 volt. And I just asked them to make me these cables, crimp me these connectors. I measured up the size I would need here and the size up here. And then I've got an isolator, got them to give me an isolator. That works pretty simply. It has a little key, if I can find it. I think it's in my pocket somewhere. Has a little key that you just chuck in here and turn it, and now my batteries are linked. And then switch it off and they're not linked. So super simple. The wire goes in, comes out. I mounted it to the top of my fuse box. Looks like there was something mounted here before, not sure what it was. There's brake controllers and Anderson plug charging and everything up here already. And I just put that next to it, and then links to my, this cap's getting a bit dodgy, links there. It's cost me all of $100 plus, for me to install that, it was less than half an hour time. Still haven't clipped this down, so let me know in the comments what you think I should do here. Whether it's, drill a couple of holes and send a zip tie through, or I think you can get some plugs that jump in that have like a little clip that goes over. So far it's been alright. I've been on a couple of trips and it hasn't rubbed too much, but I'm just still worried about it. If it does rub through on the bonnet, it'll short out because the car is earthed, right? And this is your positive. So I want to get that a bit better. Might even pop all of this and get it in under the cover. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do. But yeah, that's a simple one. Really easy to do it yourself. A quarter of the price of the Pro thing. The only thing you don't get that the Pro thing does have is usually in the car you can press the battery link. So if you've got a winch or something, you can link your batteries, give it the extra power without needing to jump out and do this. But for the price and the simplicity of popping it in, it was super doable. And I don't have a winch, so I just need it for if I've accidentally run the lights too long while I'm camping, then I can link my batteries and give myself a jump, basically, which makes it a lot easier than carrying jumper leads around. I've had it, school pickup and it doesn't start. I'm getting the kids and everyone's like, "Oh, you're right, you want a hand?" Just pop the bonnet, flick this over, off I go. So yeah, it's super simple, which means it's really resilient in the outback when things go wrong. And yeah, I'm happy with it so far. But yeah, want to get this cable management a little bit better. I'm happy with that. That worked out perfect. But this one here, I'm not sure. Should I leave it? It's probably not going to do much. Or clip it. Let me know. Get involved. See you on the next one. Thank you.